Ooh, nice. Cables, rear camera, front camera. Man, that is one quality piece of hardware. Oh, front facing camera, other facing camera, SD card reader, power. That's my favorite part. Oh, that's so clean. This must be the rear-facing camera and the cables. Installation tool. Power supply with a pass-through USB port. This must be the rear-facing camera. Oh man, look at how long that cable is. Oh, so sweet. USB-C to USB-C. Here's the rear-facing camera. Man, that is nice. Okay. No delay, no delay. Let's go put this in the car. And you'll see that the interior camera is right there, and it's facing mainly straight towards the passenger seat, but it also gets a really good view of the back seat as well.